Now, how do you upload a video from iMovie to YouTube on the iPad? Let's get started. So essentially at first, make sure you have all of the edits ready and finished within iMovie. So obviously it's a video editor where you can perform like cuts, edits, and all of the things you want. Like you can combine videos and have transitions and everything. But once you are happy with the result, just tap on the done button in your project, and then you can see we have the finished video right here. But again, click on the share button right below it, and then click on save or share video. This will make another window pop up, and you need to click on save video. So just click on there, and then the video will be saved into the gallery, right, into your basic files within your iPad, your Photos app right here. So the latest video of the project which you have been working on is now part of your Photos app. So all we have to do now is to open up the YouTube. As usual, tap on the plus button, make sure you are signed into your account and everything. So create a video like that, and the video from the gallery is going to appear right here. So you just can't select it from those videos. It's probably going to be the latest one right here since we just saved it. And then just upload it to YouTube as usual, right? So perform all of the changes like edit the title, description, add and upload a thumbnail, or do whatever you need. But this is how you can get a video from iMovie to upload it to the YouTube platform. So I believe that it should work for you, but if it still doesn't for some reason, let me know about that below in the comments. I'm kind of curious to know what's going on. So go ahead and let me know. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.